Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got another great pasta dish for you today. This is pasta with ricotta and peas. It's really quick and really easy. Start with 4 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to peel these and just give them a nice chop. We don't have to chop them too fine. I learned this dish from my mother-in-law. It was like any Italian mother, first question she asks whenever she sees us is, "Are you hungry?" And this is a dish she always likes to make, and we all love it. And since she's from Sicily, the proper name is pasta ricotta and pancetta. So we're just going to take some olive oil, coat the bottom of a saucepan here, and we're just going to add that chopped garlic. Just want to sweat this down a bit, get a little bit of color on it, just to infuse the flavor into our oil. It's starting to color nicely. Don't want this to burn, keep an eye on it. And that's the color we're looking for. That looks nice. So we're going to take our ricotta mixture. I have whole milk ricotta. It's a 32-ounce package, and we're just going to add the whole thing to our oil and garlic. We're basically making a sauce out of the ricotta. Mix all that in nicely. Turn the heat to low at this point. And I'm just going to add some half and half, about half a cup. You could use milk or cream, just to give it a nice saucy consistency. Mix that in just to heat it through. Season with some salt. We'll add some fresh cracked pepper. I like to add some dried oregano as well. You could use any seasoning mixture you like. Give that a nice mix. Really a lot of ways you could go with this dish. You could add fresh parsley, fresh basil, a little chili flake for heat. I like to add just a bit of grated parmigiano reggiano. Give it some nice saltiness. And that's ready to go. So we have our water boiling. And I'm using rigatoni today. It has the nice ridges in it, so the sauce will stay nicely in there. Generously season our pasta water. Give that a taste, make sure it's seasoned well. Always season the pasta water, otherwise the whole dish will suffer. And just add our pasta here. And you can really see just how fast this pasta dish comes together. So I have 2 cups of frozen peas here. And I'm just going to add this to the pasta when it's about 2 minutes left in the cooking process. This way everything cooks together and then it'll be finished. So let this pasta go. It's been about 11 minutes here. We'll check our rigatoni. Rigatoni takes a little bit longer than other dried pasta. So this is about 2 to 3 minutes out. So we could add our peas now. Right in the same pot, right with the pasta. And it'll all cook together. Whenever we're unsure of what to make for dinner, this is always the first dish that comes to mind, because it really is so flavorful and it's just so easy to make. So we'll give this a nice mix and let this go about another 2 or 3 minutes, let the pasta fully cook, and this will be ready to go. We have our ricotta mixture here, nice sauce consistency, nice and heated through. Let this hang out. Once we drain the pasta and peas, we can just add this right to the pasta. It's been another 2.5 minutes, so give this a check. And the only way to know if it's done is to taste it. And that tastes good. So we'll get this off the heat, get it drained, then we can combine all this and finish up this dish. So we got our pasta drained, we'll add it right back to the pot we cooked it in. Again, never rinse off your pasta with cold water. And we'll just add the sauce right in. We'll add most of it. And give that a stir. Let everything coat the pasta. Get into all those ridges on the rigatoni. I'm probably going to need the rest of the sauce here. So we'll add that in. It's a good ratio for a pound of pasta. And as the pasta cools, it's going to absorb all the liquid and it's just going to become a nice consistency. This is also a dish you want to eat right away. It's not very good reheated. So this looks nice. We'll put this to the plate. You can see that ricotta mixture coating the pasta, the peas. Really is a beautiful dish. Mound up our pasta here. I like to add some fresh cracked pepper on top. Just a touch. Then I'll grate on some more parmigiano reggiano. You can never have enough parmigiano reggiano. Right over the top, and you are ready to go. A glass of wine and you have a great pasta dish right here. So give this pasta ricotta and peas a try. It really is easy. It's absolutely delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. We will see you next time.